very honored in giving me the opportunity to be the chief host of the first official cultural farewell of New Yam Festival of Igbo in Cologne. Otherwise, the party was lower. Especially when I consider the very, very honored to be members of this union qualified to do so. This opportunity given to me, I believe, is not because I'm the most qualified. Rather, I think it's at the core of the debate on trust and education. Accordingly, then I express my profound appreciation to the members and executives of Igbo Union alone for this great opportunity. For our guest today, who do not know the Igbo, there are people from south-eastern parts of Nigeria, many of Asia, Anambra, and Ebonyi, who will say as well as part of Nigeria. However, and River State, united by a common language with different dialects. Yes, very successful. As you may have known, almost everything we walk over this day goes beyond borders. And I believe most of you in agreement with my thought that even also the rest of those beyond borders. This is a question of realizing today. In this simplicity, very young, a very important second point to the field, and when it's time to harvest, an application is going to be on through a technique to solve equality. For a successful harvest, and to expect for a better harvest in the year ahead. But in a globalized world of liberty and freedom, this celebration is a very long time, but those referring to cultural identity in our new cultural and social environment, as well as serving as enhancing the most needed cultural expression between our new found world government and the people of African origin. So all Igbo in the world and its environment, members and non-members, if anyone is still measuring the credibility and what is going on is all about, this occasion counts to be the starting point of asking those questions, as well as the beginning of the end of those wars. Therefore, I call upon all of you today to make your own individual effort and contribution by coming out of your living corner and joining others towards the dreams of the future more than the dreams of the past, full of flying, rumors. Come out and join others to effect the necessary changes needed instead of trying to get it from distance. If we are to continue our progress towards something that we cannot have to do. Once more, I thank all of you for being able to listen to me. I thank you along for making me for the order of foundation any day, time, and space. The Lord there. Thank you all.
So, all